Hello everyone, I'm Sushmita, a native Bengali speaker and experienced tutor. For the past 20 years, I have been teaching Bengali online to students from all over the world. I have successfully helped over 200 students achieve their language goals. With my friendly and structured approach, you can learn Bengali from the comfort of your home. In a short period of time, you will be able to speak, read, and write Bengali confidently. I offer free trial classes where you can discuss your goals and how we can tailor the lessons to meet your needs. Join me for a customized learning experience that will help you reach your language goals quickly and efficiently. Book your free trial class today.